In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comprehensive webinar using Microsoft Teams. To begin, open your browser and go to Microsoft Teams. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're new to Teams, you might need to set up your profile first, but once that's done, you're ready to proceed. Next, direct your attention to the left side menu panel. Here you'll find the calendar option. Go ahead and click on it. This brings you to the heart of your scheduling tools within Teams, allowing you to manage your events effortlessly. Now at the top right of the calendar view, there's the New Event button. Right beside it, there's a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down. From this menu, select Webinar. This is where the magic begins, as choosing Webinar sets up a format that's optimal for engaging with a larger audience online, ensuring they have a seamless experience. With the webinar interface loaded, you can start by entering the basic information. This includes the title, description, and the time for your event. Make sure this is detailed enough to inform your attendees about what they can expect. It's a good idea to be as clear and engaging as possible here. Moving on, you'll see an option to update the event group. This allows you to select which group or organization this event belongs to, if applicable. It's a handy feature if you're planning multiple activities and need everything well organized. Furthermore, you can add co-organizers to the webinar. Simply type their email addresses or search within your contacts in the provided field. Co-organizers will help manage the event, allowing you to focus on content delivery. Next is updating the event access. Here you decide who can join your webinar. Whether it's open to all or restricted to specific groups, this setting lets you control privacy and access levels. Another important feature is managing the attendee experience. This lets you customize how your attendees interact with the event, from audio settings to who can post questions. When everything looks good, hit Save. This saves all your settings up to this point, ensuring no data is lost as you continue planning. You can also manage the presenter bios section, which lets you highlight the qualifications and experience of your speakers. Adding engaging photos or presentations here can make a substantial impact. Other elements such as theming, registration, event configuration, and attendee status play crucial roles in the aesthetic and functional aspects of your webinar. You have the freedom to customize these according to the tone and structure of your event. Email management and report generation are also essential features. Keep your audience informed through well-timed emails and use the reports to evaluate the event's success. And don't forget about share recordings, a great way to provide post-event value. By allowing access to these recordings, you ensure that your content continues to make an impact. Lastly, manage any connected apps you'll be using during your webinar. These apps can add layers of functionality, making your event more interactive. Once you're finished with all your settings, it's time to publish your site. This makes the event visible and open for registration. Click on Publish. Voila! Your webinar is now live, ready to engage and captivate your audience.